all 15 image files moved to desktop 2026. Nothing was deleted. So that's an AI agent running totally on my laptop. No API, no subscription, so totally free. Also no data leaving my machine. So in next few minutes, let's go over how to set this up on your own computer, even if you have never installed an AI tool in your life. So we'll keep this very simple. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to install Ollama and OpenClaw on a Linux computer so that you can run your AI assistant locally free of cost. Basically, Ollama will provide the model or the engine that you can use for doing AI related work, and OpenClaw is an agent layer on top of it, and you can communicate with it in simple language and get things done. So basically, OpenClaw is the brain's decision maker and Ollama is the brain itself, and together they provide a private AI agent free of cost. So there are a few items that you will need for this. I'm using a Linux machine. I'm using the one that I have not been using for a few years. It's about 6 years old. Second item that you need is minimum 8 GB of RAM on your computer. If you have 16 GB RAM, that will be good for better models. Also, you should have at least 10 gigabytes of free space or disk space. And of course, you need internet connection. So first, I'm going to show you how to install Ollama. So simply go to ollama.com and it brings you to this page. And then you see a one-line command that you can copy. And then if you do Ctrl-Alt-T, it will open a terminal. And you simply paste that line here and hit enter. Now, since I have already installed this, I will not run this. But once you install, you can check by typing Ollama --version. So it says I have 0.23.2. On Ollama website, you will see that under models, there are various models. So there is a model called Qwen 3.6, which can do vision, tools, and thinking. And it comes in two versions. It has 27 billion parameters and 35 billion parameter. Similarly, there is another one, Llama. So if you look at this Llama 3.2, this is Meta's model. There has been 69 million downloads and it comes with the 1 billion and 3 billion parameters, and it can work with Cloud Code, OpenClaw and so on. And you get some more details and also some benchmarks. I will start with this Llama 3.2. In the terminal, you can say Ollama pull Llama 3.2 model, and then with the colon you can say I want the one with 3 billion parameters. So this is a smaller model, and smaller model also means it will be fast and it will not need too much RAM. If you use a bigger model like the one with 35 billion parameters, obviously it will be smarter, but it is going to be slow. Now this Llama 3.2 with 3 billion parameters, for that you need a computer that has a RAM of at least 8 gigabytes. And it is good for beginners and fast laptops. Similarly, if you have a model that has 8 billion parameters, so that will need a RAM of 16 gigabytes. And of course, you can get better answers from a bigger model. I would suggest if you're doing it for the first time, start with a smaller model so that you can get results quicker. Once you hit enter, it may take a few minutes. After you download, you can check by giving this command Ollama. So Ollama run Llama 3.2:3b, and let's say hi in one word. And then you give this a few seconds. So the answer it gives is hello. So that means this model is working fine. So next step is to install OpenClaw. So you can go to openclaw.ai and it takes you to this website. There you'll find this one line that you can copy and go back to the terminal and paste that. So one simple line, and then it starts the process. It will figure out that you are working with Linux and install appropriate software. So it will go in 2-3 steps and then complete it. So once you hit enter with that one-liner from OpenClaw, it will go through some installs and then start a onboarding process. That's where you will see this OpenClaw setup, and then you have security disclaimer. OpenClaw is a hobby project and still in beta. Expect sharp edges. So it gives you some information, and then I understand this is a personal by default, and shared or multi-user use requires lockdown. Continue or yes or no by using arrows. So I'm going to say yes and hit enter. Setup mode. So quick start is configure details later via OpenClaw configuration. So many things can be done even later, and manual will allow you to configure port, network, everything here itself. So I'm going to go with quick start. Configuration handling, I will say use existing values. So it gives some information like gateway port, gateway bind, and then it is asking for the model provider, and you have a list of all popular models like Anthropic, Claude, you have DeepSeek, you have one from Google, OpenAI. Since I'm using Ollama, so I will go down to Ollama using arrow keys and hit enter. Ollama mode, cloud plus local, so root cloud and local models through your Ollama host. Cloud only, local only. So I have downloaded this model on my computer, so I'm going to say local only and hit enter. So it provides Ollama base URL, then default model, keep current Ollama Llama 3.2:3b. You can say which one you want. So since I'm using Ollama Llama 3.2 with 3 billion parameters, I will hit enter. How channel works. It gives you all these information, and these channels can be selected later on also. It allows you to work with the apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Signal, and then it prompts you to select a particular channel. So for now, I'm going to say skip for now. So you can add channels later via OpenClaw channels add. So I will select this and hit enter. So web search lets your agent look things up online. Search provider. So this again, I will skip for now. It can be configured even later. Skills, eligible 8. Configure skills now. This as well I'll do later. So I will say no. Hooks let you automate actions when agent commands are issued. Using space, you can select skip for now, hit enter. Then it gives you quick start uses note for gateway service. Gateway service already installed. Restart, reinstall, skip. So let me say restart. So gateway service restarted. It does a health checkup, optional apps, provides information about control UI. How do you want to hatch your bot? So I will go with the recommended one. Hit enter. So you get this information. Now you can use this link. If I right click and say open link, it takes me to this dashboard for OpenClaw where I can control things. You can choose like which model you are using. So from here I see Llama 3.2:3b that we selected. So usually first impression will be that it is slow. And also if you are not getting better answers, maybe you go for a higher model. So let me try Quen 3.6 and pose the same question. Say hi in one word. It replies, hey, with a hand wave. Let's ask, why are you so slow? At the top, you'll see the option to go bright or night mode. You can choose any one that you prefer. Under control, you can see overview, status OK, cost is 0, 8 skills, and it keeps all the logs. Channels, we have not connected anything yet. Instances, you have session information, usage. So it gives you a list of messages, throughput like tokens per minute, tools call, average tokens, and so on. Average cost for us is 0 because we are using free model. So you have a lot of information there. Under agents, it has different markdown files. There's one called agents MD. This folder is the home. Treat it that way. It has some instructions. You can always make changes. And then there's a soul.md file. So basically telling agent who you are. And then there's tools, identity, user, heartbeat, bootstrap. And then you have skills and so on. Configuration, the model you are using, and you can toggle between like thinking whether it is off, low, medium, high, and so on. Fast mode on, so cheaper but less capable. And if you switch it off, obviously it becomes more capable. So I asked a question, why are you so slow? So it says running on Ollama Qwen with 35 billion parameters locally, not a cloud GPU. The speed depends on your CPU and whether you have GPU assigned to Ollama. If you want faster responses, you could switch to a smaller model like Llama 3.2 with 3 billion parameters. It will be way faster but less capable. Or switch to a mid-size model balance for speed and capability. The default model is only 3 billion parameters. It's fast but weak. Current model is smarter but slower. So that's the kind of trade-off I mentioned earlier. Let's get some information from the computer. How many image files are in downloads folder on this computer? It comes back and looks at the type of files I have in downloads folder. And this is my downloads folder. Many files and many of them are like .png. So that's what it checked and reports that there are 15 such files. Put these 15 image files in a new folder named 2026 and store it on the desktop folder of this computer. Do not delete any file. So get this done. So it is supposed to create a 2026 folder here with all these image files. So it has completed the task. All 15 image files moved to desktop 2026. Nothing was deleted, just relocated. One note, one file called aquapanna.png was inside a subfolder within the downloads folder. So that folder is now empty. No other files were affected. So you can see those image files from downloads folder is gone. So this is 2026 folder you can see on the screen. If I double click, and there you find all image files. For example, this is one of them. So all this was done with just a simple English command. If OpenClaw feels slow, then switch to a smaller model. If you feel the responses that you're getting are not that great, then switch to a bigger model. If something breaks, check Ollama logs or OpenClaw logs. If you have private documents, keep everything local. Provide specifications of this computer. Here's your system specs. It says the model is Dell Precision 7750 workstation and CPU Intel, RAM 64 gigabytes, GPU NVIDIA 8 GB plus Intel UHD graphics, main storage 1 terabyte and secondary storage is also 1 terabyte, operating system Ubuntu 24.04. So solid mobile workstation. What is today's date in 24-hour format? So it says today is Wednesday, May 13, 2026. Time is roughly 11:41. Let's go back to the terminal. So you also get those outputs here because this session is on. Now we can say /E and go to exit. And then you get this prompt. We can say OpenClaw gateway stop. So it will be stopped. And if you check again, so you see this window here. If you want to see the list of files in OpenClaw folder, you can do ls for list ~/.openclaw and hit enter. So you can see what files are there inside this. Similarly, if you want to check within the workspace, You have all those MD files or markdown file like agent, bootstrap, heartbeat, identity, soul, tools, user. And if you need to launch OpenClaw again, you can say Ollama launch OpenClaw. Again, it will ask you which model you want to use. So let's say we go with the first one and we'll set this up later. Starting gateway, OpenClaw is running. It provides this link that we can use. Right click and say open hyperlink. And you see, we are back in. Please subscribe to this channel and become a member so that you don't miss anything. This series is going to be interesting where we are going to build some interesting AI agents. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to build your first AI agent running locally, totally free in OpenClaw. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.